Inside the Robotic Prosthetics lab, how advanced artificial limbs are crafted, behind the scenes. Human beings are born with an innate desire to live fully, to work, to hold, to run, to touch the world with their own hands and feet. Yet not everyone is fortunate enough to keep those seemingly simple and ordinary parts of themselves. For people who lose limbs due to accidents, illnesses, or complications, life becomes a long chain of challenges, where every small movement must be paid for with pain, helplessness, and the emptiness of watching life go on while they struggle with tasks as basic as dressing, eating, opening a door, or simply hugging someone they love. They experience isolation even in crowded places, exhaustion from depending on others, and emotional wounds carved deeper with each pitying glance. Beneath all of this lies an intimate sorrow, losing a part of themselves, losing the sense of independence, losing the ability to create value through work, pushing many into depression, despair, or withdrawal from society. And yet, hidden within these wounds is a powerful desire to rise again, to reclaim their life and identity. That desire has become the driving force behind a profound humanitarian field, the advanced prosthetics industry. Here, the intelligence of science, the compassion of human design, and the dedication of countless engineers, researchers, doctors, and technicians converge within highly sophisticated laboratories and production lines. Every screw, sensor, servo, and carbon fiber layer exists for one purpose: to give life back to someone who once lost it. Modern prosthetic limbs are no longer crude wooden blocks or heavy metal bars. They are masterpieces combining ultra-light titanium, high-strength carbon fiber, biomedical alloys, and silicone skin with cutting-edge internal technology, micro-step motors, medical-grade processors, EMG sensors that read muscle signals, artificial tendons, and even AI systems that learn the user's unique movement patterns. Inside each limb lies a world of engineering precision designed to interact seamlessly with the human body. When a user wearing a prosthetic arm wants to lift a glass, the electrodes capture micro-muscle signals, the processor interprets the intention, and motors close the fingers gently, firm enough to grasp, soft enough to avoid breaking. When using a prosthetic leg to walk or run, pressure sensors adapt stiffness in real time while advanced control systems stabilize balance and predict motion. These features create movements that feel natural and intuitive. For people who once believed their life had ended with the loss of a limb, these advanced prosthetics open the door to a new beginning. They can return to work, cook, drive, use tools, play sports, and even compete professionally. The feeling of standing again, even on a prosthetic leg, restores faith in their ability to shape their own future. The ability to hold something with a prosthetic hand brings back the joy of daily life and the pride of independence. Technological advancements, electromechanical knee joints, carbon fiber spring feet, multi-point pressure sensors, active assist systems, and bone muscle tendon-inspired designs have transformed prosthetics from mere replacements into true extensions of the human body. Users can walk on uneven terrain, lift objects, manipulate tools, type, serve in restaurants, play musical instruments, and more. They are no longer defined by what they cannot do, but by their resilience and capability. Looking at the full 75-scene manufacturing process, from raw titanium and carbon entering the factory, through robotic welding, CNC machining, 3D modeling, sensor installation, torque and thermal testing, precision polishing, packaging, and shipping, we realize that every mechanical motion serves a deeper purpose. It is not just production, it is restoration. It returns dignity, independence, joy, and hope to people who have endured unimaginable loss. Every component on the assembly line is a promise. Every robotic arm is a bridge connecting someone back to life. Every finished prosthetic limb is a story of rebirth. Technology, at its best, exists not to showcase complexity but to serve humanity, especially those who are most vulnerable. In the intersection between precision engineering and compassion, modern prosthetics have become symbols of strength, perseverance, and the unbreakable value of every human being, proving that even when the body loses something, the human spirit remains whole.